Number 1. Ashk Yenide. This series revolves around Zainab, a single mother grappling with life's challenges, crosses paths with Fatih, a man seeking freedom from familial obligations. Their chance meeting leads to a fake marriage agreement, each with their own motives. As they navigate their charade, sparks of genuine connection ignite, eventually blossoming into unexpected love. However, their happiness is jeopardized when their families discover the truth, testing their newfound bond. Despite initial obstacles, Fatih and Zainab's love triumphs, proving that authenticity and understanding can overcome even the most complicated circumstances. This series is full of delightful rom-com, blending humor and heart with captivating performances. Number 2. Seviye Sevmiyor. This series centers around Deniz and Yiğit were close friends until Yiğit moves to America. Yiğit, who was an ugly-looking child when he was young, but when he grew up, he acquired a good and attractive appearance. And Deniz, who was a very beautiful girl when she was little, but became ugly when she became an adult. One day, when Yiğit came back from America, he met his childhood sweetheart Yiğit again. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. This series delivers a roller coaster of emotions with its comedic and dramatic twists, anchored by compelling character arcs. While some find it overly drawn out, the balanced characters, heartfelt moments, and stellar performances make it a captivating watch. Overall, a rom-com gem that leaves a lasting impression. Number 3. Perfect Groom, 2016. It is a short 8 episodes Turkish series which revolves around Melike, a Turkish girl from Germany, chasing journalism dreams in Istanbul. She struggles to make her ends meet, but lies to her family that she is a successful journalist and dating a surgeon, Mehmet. Things spin when Melike gets caught in a celebrity gossip, intertwining with Mehmet's family secret. Melike's attempts to prove herself lead to unexpected turns, impacting her relationship with Mehmet. The story revolves around mistaken identities, Melike's dream to become a journalist, and her unexpected love with Mehmet. Number 4. Number 5. Love Logic Revenge. Love Logic Revenge follows Isra, who marries Ozan for financial stability but faces hardship when he quits his job to pursue his dreams. Exhausted, Isra gets a divorce after suffering a miscarriage. Years later, she discovers Ozan has become a successful CEO while she struggles. Seeking acknowledgement for her sacrifices, Isra plans revenge by making Ozan fall in love with her again. She becomes an intern at his company, Millennium Soft. As Isra and Ozan reconnect, complications arise when Ozan's friend, Çınar, enters the picture. Will Isra's revenge plan succeed, and will love be rekindled between Isra and Ozan? Watch this series to find out. Number 6. Sen Kal Kapini. Sen Kal Kapini is an awesome Turkish romantic comedy series about Edie, a young and beautiful college student who faces financial difficulties when her scholarship is cut without notification. She works part-time at her aunt's flower shop and wants to enter a nationwide university exam to study at a public university. However, she can't forget the injustice done to her by the man responsible for cutting scholarships, Serkan Bolat, a young and successful businessman. Their lives intersect by coincidence, and they dislike each other. But when Serkan needs to reverse his ex-girlfriend's engagement, then he and Edie enter into a contract to act as if they are dating. Serkan wants to make his ex-girlfriend cancel the engagement, while Edie wants to get scholarship to Italy and make her future. Over time, they develop feelings for each other, but their contract and past issues create obstacles. Number 7. Kalbim Ecede Kaldi. Nene Iraj, on her deathbed, urges Zelish and Mustafa to marry within 2 months to inherit a valuable field. Despite their differences, they agree to a short-term marriage plan for the inheritance. Upon discovering Nene Iraj's deception about her health, they continue the marriage charade to secure the inheritance. This unexpected turn of events sets the stage for a comedic and adventurous journey in their unconventional marriage. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 8. Dolune. Full Moon or Dolune follows the story of Najli, a cheerful and aspiring young chef who takes a part-time job as a private chef for the disciplined and serious businessman, Ferit. Initially unaware of each other's identity, they are drawn to one another, but their relationship becomes complicated when Ferit misunderstands Najli's intentions. Even though this show starts strong with a well-paced plot and humorous moments, making it enjoyable to watch. However, I have some disappointment with the ending, feeling it lacked the same spark as the rest of the series. But overall, it's a charming romance with great performances, particularly from the talented young actor Bullet, and the chemistry between Ken Yaman and Ozge Gurel leaves a lasting impression on me as a viewer. Number 9. My Husband's Family. Yonka marries Tariq, a seemingly perfect man with no known family, fulfilling her wish to avoid in-laws. However, their life takes a twist when they move into an apartment complex occupied by Mukaddar's traditional Turkish family, who lost their son years ago. They embrace Tariq as their long-lost son, creating a complex family dynamic that puts Yonka in the midst of a comedic battle. As the story unfolds, Yonka must navigate the challenges of a newfound family and Tariq's quest to uncover his true heritage, leading to humorous and heartwarming moments. Number 10. Love Trap, 2020. Love Trap tells the love-hate story of Aisha and Kareem, which is full of comedy and romance. Kareem is a good-looking womanizer and belongs from a rich family, who also owns a big textile company. Whereas Aisha is a beautiful girl, working in Kareem's textile factory. After betrayal from her lover, Aisha gets confused and tricks Kareem into a fake relationship and marriage to shake things up. But things get crazy when both of them started to have feeling for each other. Number 11. Benim Tatlı Yalanim, My Sweet Lie. My Sweet Lie is a heartwarming Turkish drama with an engaging story and lovable characters, highly recommended for its family-friendly and entertaining nature. It is a story about Nejat, who is a successful businessman, and raising his daughter, Kaira, after his wife left them. He's been sending letters from a made-up Africa story to his daughter. As Kaira's 6th birthday approaches, she believes her mom is coming back, so Nejat faces a dilemma. Meanwhile, Suna, a young girl with dreams of renovating her family's coffee house, encounters Nejat while trying to save her own family's coffee house. Misunderstandings arise, and Suna ends up at Nejat's home. Kaira thinks Suna is her mom, leading to a complex situation where Nejat and Suna must make a decision about what to do next. It is an interesting story to watch. Number 12. More Beautiful Than You. Senden Daha Buzla is an awesome series, where we see Cenre Basil playing the lead role of Efsun, who works as a dermatologist, lives peacefully on the farm with her father in a village in Gaziantep. Her mother left her and her father at a young age and moved to Istanbul and became one of Turkey's most important plastic surgeons. Efsun suddenly receives news from her mother, whom she has not seen since she was 12 years old. Her mother is on her deathbed and wants to see her one last time. She invites Efsun to Istanbul by sending her driver. Efsun, who goes to Istanbul to see her mother, is in for a big surprise. Her mother, the owner of the largest aesthetic clinic in Istanbul, asks Efsun to work in the clinic and forces her to do so. As if all this is not enough, Emir, who she thinks is a driver, is actually the son of her mother's partner Kayabe. Emir, a handsome and charismatic surgeon, thinks that Efsun has come to take the clinic away from him and starts a fight with Efsun. Moreover, these young people are neighbors. Number 13. Emergency Love. Emergency Love follows Sinan, a peaceful doctor, whose life takes a turn when Nisan, a clumsy cheerful girl, becomes his hospital assistant and neighbor. Their world gets topsy-turvy as Sinan's sister Ayla joins them, becoming his housemate. Amidst comedic chaos, Nisan's adjustment to city life and Sinan's daily routine collide. The show captures their unique camaraderie and clashes in the hospital and at home. As Nisan's past looms, the trio faces challenges and unexpected bonds. Can Nissan embrace her new life? Will Sinan and Nissan find common ground? The series blends humor, romance, and personal growth. Number 14. Firefly. Firefly tells the story of Baris, who is a very successful, attractive, divorce lawyer, who don't believe in true love, and Asli, who is a beautiful young girl, who is full of life, intelligent, and entertaining, but must work as a taxi driver to help her family. Her family members and close friends call her Firefly. Both of them meet after a tragic accident case caused by Bari's nephew, Hakan, but later found that his nephew is innocent. In short, this show is full of comedy, romance and fun, with a spice of thrill and mystery. It is one of my favorite Turkish series, and I will recommend you this series as well. Number 15. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Daphne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Daphne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Daphne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Daphne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Daphne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Daphne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 16. Melekleren Aşkın. Melekleren Aşkın tells us the story of Yağmur, who was raised by elderly people in a care home and is a sweet person. He falls in love with Meleka, but he's too shy to tell her. When Meleka's mom leaves the care home, she invites Yağmur to work at their house. Yağmur takes care of Meleka's family, hoping to win her heart. It's a big challenge for him, but he's determined to do his best for love. But now what will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 17. Tatli Intikam. Sweet Revenge. It is a love story of Sinan and Pelin, who were used to study in the same medical college. One day Sinan expresses his love for Pelin. As Sinan was very unattractive at that time, so Pelin rejects him. But years later she regrets her decision, as years later she gets convinced that the misfortune in her love life are the karma brought to her by the way she behaved towards her college friend in the past. Pelin tries to get forgiveness from Sinan. Sinan, whose whole life was changed because of Pelin, decides to get his own sweet revenge on her. It is a great love story, which is full of romance, fun, and even sadness. Trust me, you would love this show. Number 18. Romance Next Door. Aysen, a fashion design student, lives with her warm and loving adopted family. When financial difficulties arise, they decide to rent their penthouse to Ateş, a wealthy young man, and Yasmin, a hard-working girl. To secure the rental, Ateş and Yasmin pretend to be a newly married couple. As they live together, Aysen and Ateş are drawn to each other, while Yasmin and Demir, Aysen's brother, also develop feelings. Will Ateş and Yasmin be able to keep up the charade successfully? And will Ateş and Aysen overcome their differences to fall in love? Watch this series to find out. Number 19. Recipe of Love. In Recipe of Love, Firat, a talented chef, is left heartbroken when his fiancée abandons him on their wedding day after following advice from love expert Dr. Love. Firat discovers the truth and seeks revenge on Taylan by winning over his fiancée, Naz, who owns a French restaurant. Working there, Firat faces challenges due to their contrasting personalities. As he tries to blend Turkish and French cuisines, he aims to teach Taylan a lesson about love. However, Firat's plan becomes complicated as he starts falling for Naz. Will Firat succeed in his revenge plan and win Naz's heart? Watch this amazing series to find out. Number 20. Bizim Hikaye. Our story, Bizim Hikaye, is a Turkish adaptation of the American series Shameless. It follows Filiz, a young girl responsible for her 5 siblings due to her absent mother. Filiz works multiple jobs, cares for her family, and copes with her alcoholic father. She becomes both mother and father to her siblings. When she meets Baris, a handsome and wealthy young man who's drawn to her strength, he wants to gain her trust and heart. The show explores File's challenges, Baris' determination, and the potential for a normal life despite their differences. The series delves into File's struggles to care for her siblings while navigating her own desires and relationships. But if you are interested in more videos like this, then please check this video. Thanks.